Hoy, ungo. Ungo. Ungong pution.
No.
Ungo nga pution. Huwagan ka ha? What? Why are you looking at me like that?
You could take the girl out of the jungle, but you can't take the jungle out of the girl. Talking about it's the same thing.
It's just because I am dark, that's why. Hoy, gikidubot. Lami, gusto ka bungi-bungian ng imong ngipong gagmay. Zan, uwagan si ikang dakot. Sige, mapahali lagi na yung bukog.
See, look at all the people.
Oh, we go
lining up.
now, we go now.
There's no reason to. It's not. Are you gonna get a present if you're the first one in there? No, there's no reason to be the first one there.
Eh, but why the people is falling in line?
I don't know. Maybe they're giving out a prize. There's no reason to get in line so early. Trust me, it's going to be a bum rush to get inside. You might as well just wait for it to clear out and then you go.
Aray, like, busdi ka, tanang imong tidyan road. Isa. You are like a cat. Ay!
Plug your phone in. It's
I don't
gonna
want to
die.
plug
It's gonna
my
die.
phone.
It's your own low battery already.
Why the iPhone now is Type-C na?
Because they didn't. Europe is actually the one that pushed them to do it. They told them they couldn't sell phones unless they kind of started getting on board with everybody else.
Really?
Yeah, because Android sell more phones than Apple. There's more Android phones sold than anything.
That's why.
Yeah, they didn't want to have like 3 different types of chargers, and that was the thing. They had a corner on the market.
Why
for
you
the
are so white?
Why are you so dark? Hey, how'd you get that scar? You ever
Huh?
remember that?
I know.
How?
Because I go in the roof. Then when I go back down,